Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at this is the Irwin, their part number 53545. This is a 6-piece carded spiral flute screw extractor set. Gonna carefully just slice the end here and be able to take a closer look at these screw extractors. Screw extractors are pretty handy to have. I get into using them when I'm trying to pull old, rusted screws out, hinge screws out of a door and frame situation. 6-piece set. There we go. Let's go over what we're getting here. Okay, so we're going to get sizes EX1 through EX6, designed to remove broken studs, bolts, socket screws, and fittings. Aggressive left-hand spiral design for extra gripping power. There's the small size there now. That's the one that's not marked. That's the EX1. The EX2 is next. Everything else is marked at this point. Not that you're going to see that. EX3. EX4. You know what? I need to tell you the drill size of these. The EX2 is marked at 7/64. The EX3 is marked at 5/32. The EX4 is a 1/4 inch drill. The EX5, 19/64 on the EX5. The EX6, that's going to be a 13/32 drill size. Let's look up and see what the EX1 takes. And the EX1 is a 5/64 bit. Let's go over that a little bit more thoroughly. Drilling the center of the hole out is crucial. Being able to back that screw out, because the majority of the screw is now going to cave, compress in a little bit. With the EX1, you're going to remove screws and bolts and removes bolts and screws 3/32 to 5/32, or number 3 to number 6. Your EX2 is going to be 5/32 to 7/32, 6 to 12. EX3, 7/32 to 9/32, number 12s, and that's the one that I use the most often for pulling those 12/24 screws out. Not having a screw extractor set will make you late to get home after a job. EX4, 9/32 to 3/8, 1/8 inch national pipe thread. EX5, 3/8 to 5/8. 1/4 inch. EX6, 5/8 to 7/8. I never get in anything nearly that large. Anything really past EX4 is out of my realm. But I can attest to the quality and to the performance of the Irwin line. It's because I use the material personally as a result. As a result, I can attest to the performance of much of the product line. There's a link below this video to a document called Reference Guide. Basically just tells you what size screw you need to use based on what you're doing. Drill bit size, the type of bolt, the size, and the type of extractor to use. Incredibly handy. There's then a link to a document called Product Brochure, and that's very handy as well. I like to pull those documents up and then perhaps do a find function on the keyboard. 53545. Surely I'm going to find the page where this is located and its sister products. Okay? Very handy way to go about this. You might find that this is the ideal kit for what you're doing. You might find something better. Take that part number, populate it back into the website, then you're in real good shape there. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Irwin products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Irwin 53545 6-piece screw extractor set, or any other Irwin product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much.